It's a common question when you're a child. What would you like to be when you grow up?
What I want to be when I grow up is a veterinarian.
Well, it's career day at the Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha. These grade 9 students have been soaking in the information presented to them from various professionals. Of course, interest was high for people wanting to study medicine. Chanel Lewis is sold on a career in nursing, but here's the problem.
I have chosen to work in America because, yes, my research it has proven that when you work in America, being a registered nurse, you make more money.
A similar view expressed by Dominique Maxwell, who says she would consider remaining in Jamaica after nursing school on one condition.
I better pay. That's exactly.
In fact, most of the students with whom we spoke expressed a desire to leave the country to further their education or work, from careers as influencers.
I really like beauty, so like clothes and makeup and like things like that. I find it very fascinating and the creative things that they can do with fashion and cosmetics.
To professional athletes.
Athletics and sports, I really have a love for them because it really clears my mind when I'm training.
These children are convinced they stand a great chance of a better life abroad, except this student.
I want to stay in Jamaica.
So big dreams for higher learning. We were curious about their plans for funding their education.
You can't just wait till the appointed time to start saving because then you'll never know how much a term will cost or a semester will cost. So it's best to start saving from early so you don't have the nerve-wracking pressure of trying to get all the money together when it's about the time to pay for the tuition.
I hear my mommy talking about how much money it is for just like a term. So imagine how much it is for a year, and imagine you're studying for 4 or 5 years. That's like a lot of money. Could buy unlimited things with that amount of money. So it's important for you to start saving. As they say, every mickle make a muckle. So if you start off with like $20 a day, you make $100 like in a week. So I think by saving small amounts, gradually you will get to the amount that you need.
And finally, we wanted to know whether the students thought the current education system is preparing them enough for life after school.
Well, it's a 50-50 answer because, they don't tell us what's out there, but they prepare us book-wise.
Mostly yes, because most of the careers, you need to be book smart and street smart. I don't feel like school gives us enough street smart to balance out the book smart in the real world.